Good to see you, everyone. Enrique Adventures. Thankfully, I am here and I made it. So I'm gonna review the Caixinha de Agua, or little box of water, and I'm going to be or make some nice short expedition to see how this little forest around here. Alright, folks, wish me luck. Let's see how this video coming together. Amazing, folks. I think it was beautiful. I'm so excited because the place is so tiny, you know. Human made it here. This Caixinha de Agua, or little box of water, that's what they call it. As you saw in the footage, the butterfly, the little detail of the place, you know, the full 100% natural, guys. I'm really enjoyed myself. I don't know what you're thinking, you know. Let me know with the big comment below. All right, folks, I invite you all, you guys, if you live close to Cosmópolis, come here with a positive mind and don't throw garbage in the natural environment. Take care of this beautiful place. All right, folks, subscribe for more adventure. Stay tuned for the next video coming ahead, and so much love for all of you guys. Until the next time, ciao.